All right, guys, we've been hearing these weird mechanical sounds for the past hour.
Sounds like my stomach after mess hall food.
I bet it's a secret rebel base. Or maybe space bears.
Space bears? Really?
Definitely space bears with laser teeth.
Your theories get worse every mission.
There. You see that?
Yep, definitely a space bear. A really shiny one.
Stand back, Jake. I'll handle this space bear.
Real smooth, hero.
Oh, it's just a cleaning droid.
Not a space bear?
Nope, definitely not a space bear. Great teamwork, guys.
Mission accomplished!
Still think it looked like a space bear from down here.
So there you have it, folks. Another successful mission investigating space bears that turned out to be cleaning droids.
Hey, at least we helped.
Sure we did. Thanks for watching, and remember...
Space bears aren't real.